And then here you can check the health of your stomach and kidneys by this way. Okay, you do like this. If it's healthy, stomach and kidneys healthy, it means that you do like this. No pain, no pain, no pain. Okay, no pain at all. Step 7. Step 7 is massage ears. This, you see how is the shape of the ears? Any similar with any internal organ? Tell me.
Stomach.
Yes, correct. Which internal you have two? Both sides. Yes, perfectly. It's our stomach, it's our kidneys. Left and right, left and right. And one thing very interesting, that our kidneys don't like the cold. Don't like the cold temperature, cold thing, and only heat, only warmth can bring the health for kidneys and even stomach. Stomach love 37 degrees, right? That's why when you eat or you drink cold water, if too much or if every day, okay, repeat and repeat every day, you will have a disease, you will have a problem. The stomach cannot protect you anymore. Because 37 degree is stomach home. Or you put frozen stomach, or you damage stomach by cold water, by ice water. It means you break your home. Okay? And kidneys also. Kidneys like warm only. We put like this V line, okay? Or any. You make a V line shape and then we massage right front and ear, and after behind the ear. Do like this. Do like this. Okay, and then we massage here. You use your fingers, massage whole the ear though. And until it hot or tingling. You feel a little bit tingling. It means enough massage. And then here you can check the health of your stomach and kidneys by this way. Okay, you do like this. If it's healthy, stomach and kidneys healthy, it means that you do like this. No pain, no pain, no pain. Okay, no pain at all. But if you find any pain, so massage it, that pain gently every day, and after a few days, after 1 week or after 1 month, you don't find it anymore. That is the one way you take care of your internal organs.
Online Dian Cham workshop. Free to join on the first day. On March 20th, 2026. Register now. This online Dian Chan course introduces you to the fundamentals of facial reflexology and how it can be applied to support personal wellness, family care or professional practice, and new feature specialized training modules.